So all kind of sankalpa resolutions comes from the sanskar, and all kind of thoughts comes from the sankalpa. The process of sankalpa and vikalpa is called mind. So normally this is the barrier, counter thought. Resolution is here and action is here. Thoughts are the medium, but counter thought is creating obstacle, barrier. The counter thought is not allowing to turn your thoughts into action. Now Buddhi is here to save you. Intelligence, intellect, decision, discipline, these are the solution of your mind problem. Namaskar. Welcome. Today we are going to understand about mind. Mind can be many, but out of them, 5 are very important. And they are conscious mind, subconscious mind, unconscious mind, collective unconscious mind, cosmic collective unconscious mind. Out of these 5, the conscious mind is known as mind. Whenever we are talking about mind, actually we are talking about conscious mind. Others are just supporting conscious mind. Conscious mind is the very important part for us and in us. Whatever we are doing on the platform of conscious mind, we can feel here, we can experience here, we can do something over here. Moreover, all the great experience, spiritual experience, meditation, samadhi, everything we can experience over here. This is the platform. Subconscious mind, unconscious mind, collective unconscious mind, they are just here to support the conscious mind. So today we are going to understand what is conscious mind and its mechanism. So let's move towards that understanding. Conscious mind is like a container. Here you can find some thoughts. From where they comes from? From sankalp. Sankalp is a Sanskrit word. It means resolution. I hope you know thoughts means vichar. Vichar. I am underlining the Sanskrit words. And from where sankalp comes, it is sanskar. Sanskar, the English translation is sacrament. Sacrament means the deep impression of your first part of your life. Sometimes it comes from your past life also. So all kind of sankalpa resolutions comes from the sanskar, and all kind of thoughts comes from the sankalpa. And then thoughts can be turned into action. But sometimes after some resolution, we are not able to do some action. Why? Because some counter thoughts are coming. Here in Sanskrit it is called vikalpa. And according to Indian traditional scripture, according to the great masters, the process of sankalpa and vikalpa called mind. Let me repeat once again. The process of sankalpa and vikalpa is called mind. It means the root of your thought is sankalpa, and then whenever there is counter thought, you can find another thoughts comes. So that thoughts is there and another thought will come to counter that. So it is the chain of the thought, counter thought, thought, counter thought. So it will not allow to do any kind of proper action. So normally this is the barrier, counter thought. Because if there is any resolution, you need to any kind of thought. Definitely you need. Because thoughts are here. The nature created the thought or provide you thought to fulfill your resolution. It is a compulsory part of our life. And resolution is here and action is here. Thoughts are the medium. But counter thought is creating obstacle, barrier. So what to do to prevent counter thought? Then another thing is given over here. It is called intellect. In Sanskrit, it is called buddhi. Underline is Sanskrit, buddhi. So buddhi is the tool to control your mind. All the problem you can find in your mind, that you are taking resolution, then thoughts are coming, counter thoughts are coming to create obstacle. So this problem can be solved by buddhi. Buddhi means what? Buddhi means the decision taking power. So buddhi is here to solve your all kind of mind problem. Mind means what? Your sankalpa and vikalpa. And of course, the vichara, the thoughts are coming because of your resolution, because of your sankalpa. And the counter thought is not allowing to turn your thoughts into action. Now, buddhi is here to save you, to give you strength, stamina, to stay with your thought and help you to move from the thought to action. And that's why it is called intelligence in modern language. So, intelligence comes from your intellect. And whenever you using your buddhi, in modern language it is called decision. And the word discipline comes from the decision. It means, the blue handwritings, intelligence, intellect, decision, discipline. These are the solution of your mind problem. Whatever your problem in your mind, if you want to solve them, then please look towards these words and understand the meaning of that. So I hope you understood that mind means the process of thought, and it comes from the sankalpa, and counter thought is creating obstacle and not allowed to do any kind of action. Now take an example to understand all this mechanism. Resolution. For example, you took a resolution that you will do your meditation practice daily at 7 o'clock every day, evening. So look, you took a resolution, then you can find all the thought process, all the thoughts will come, how to maintain that resolution, how to support that resolution. You need to wake up in right way. You need to do all your daily works in properly, you need to little bit exercise or yoga asana, you need to eat very balanced way, otherwise you cannot able to meditate in evening. And you need to come back early in the morning in right time, 6 or before 6:30, so that you can prepare yourself for meditation at evening 7 o'clock. So all your thoughts comes to fulfill your resolution. So whenever you are following your resolution, at that time you need to take small decisions. It has to be there. For example, you decided I will do 20-minute breathing exercise early in the morning. Whenever you try to do every day, your counter thought will come. No, not today. We can do it tomorrow. Or you decided that I will do 10 Surya Namaskar daily so that I can fit myself as well as it can help me in my meditation. And whenever you're doing daily, you can find your counter thoughts are coming to disturb you and asking, not today, this is the problem, that is the problem. So that counter thought is the problem. At that time, you need to stay with your decision. You have decided to do 10 Surya Namaskar, so you need to stay with your decision. That is discipline. Whenever you stay with your decision, then you can find you are managed to do 10 Surya Namaskar. Now that is action. So it means a resolution should be there to guide your mind or thought process, and you need to very aware of that no counter thought comes frequently to disturb that. For that, this intellect, intelligence, decision, discipline help you to stay with your thought and move towards the action. Now let's move towards the vikalp. If you are not able to stay with your thought, it means if you are not able to take any kind of decision, counter thoughts are frequently coming to disturb you, then what? For example, you have decided to do 10 Surya Namaskar today, and after 5 your counter thought comes and asks you, no, today I am getting very late, I will try to do it tomorrow, or I am really tired today. So you just skip that 5, rest 5. Then what will happen? You will feel little bit relaxed and some pleasure and happiness you can find. But look, that is very temporary. So it means short-term pleasure. So whenever you follow your vikalpa, vikalpa means counter thought, at that time you can find only one thing, that is short-term pleasure. After that, a lot of negative things frequently comes to you, that is the duality, and comes confusion, then stress, then tension, then anxiety, then depression. So a lot of negative qualities, negative mental diseases keep on coming towards you if you keep on following your counter thought. So I will recommend you, please take some resolution. It will help to guide your thoughts, and whatever thought will come, then stay with thought by taking some decision. Whenever stay with a decision, the thought process is less down gradually at your conscious mind, in your conscious mind. Whenever the thought process slow down in your conscious mind, whenever you can find less thought in your conscious mind, you can find a lot of other qualities comes you. What they are, you can find gradually. It gives you the clarity, focus, stability, understanding, awareness. This all comes to you. So this is overall about mind. It works in this way. If you have any question regarding, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you very much for your precious time. Namaste. See you soon.